How to stop unwanted promotional emails in Gmail. Follow my instructions. If your Gmail inbox is full of ads and offers you don't need, you can unsubscribe or block them to keep your inbox clean. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Gmail app or go to mail.google.com. Find a promotional email you no longer want to receive. Open it and look for the unsubscribe link next to the sender's name. Tap unsubscribe and confirm when prompted. This tells Gmail you don't want future emails from that sender. It may take a few days for changes to take effect. For persistent spam or unwanted emails, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the email. Select Block Sender. Future emails will go to spam. You can also filter emails automatically. Go to Gmail settings, choose filters and blocked addresses. Set rules to send certain emails directly to archive or trash. By regularly unsubscribing and blocking unwanted senders, your inbox will stay organized and distraction-free. That's how to stop unwanted promotional emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching.